Are you self-employed or a business owner or a 1099 employee that has personal credit card accounts showing up on your personal credit that are affecting your credit score? If so, this is going to be helpful for you. I just talked to a borrower today. I gave them the advice, if you have an EIN number for your business and you have personal debts for your business showing up on your credit report, what you should do is you should open a credit card account under your business. You'll still have to personally guarantee this, but you should open this under your business and then get that credit taken off of your personal account, have it added to your business account, and this will undoubtedly help raise your credit score. Any business owners like me in the past, I've had credit cards and we've had high credit card balances just due to the nature of owning a business. You charge things and then you pay them off. And so what happens is as you have those balances go up, if your credit limit's $10,000 a month and you're charging $10,000, that's affecting your personal credit score. But what you can do is you can separate those and take your personal accounts and make them personal, take your business accounts and make the business accounts no longer show up under your personal accounts. And most credit cards will do this. You just have to make sure that the account is filed under your business. It will impact your score negatively if you stop making payments on the credit. It will show up on your credit, but as long as you continue to make payments, these accounts will actually be moved over under your business credit and no longer showing up on your personal credit, causing your credit score to go up significantly because you'll no longer have those high balances on there. If you have any questions on that, feel free to shoot me an email or give me a call. I can send you some information that's helpful. Have a great day.